enjoy the rest of the game, and so far they have enjoyed it.
Yes, absolutely. As soon as the home side will be playing, so crowd will be more loving to enjoy the innings of the home side. Crowd is coming here in Iqbal Stadium, Faisalabad, in big number to help their national side, to give them confidence that we are behind them. Even they are blind, Pakistani nation is right behind them. Pakistani PTV Sports channel, PTV Sports is right behind them, telecasting this live game. This will be a great influence on the rest of the young talent which is not playing this sort of blind cricket. This will be a great attraction towards them, to motivate them to come at the national level as a blind cricketers. Good thing for the public.
Yeah, it's a good thing. And that is the way they have stood 171. So 172 required by Pakistan to chase it down in 20 overs. And here we are taking a break. We'll come back to you with a live action.